Somebody were to ask you, if somebody were to ask you, hey, what's going on with this? You could explain it to them. So can you explain it to me, what we were doing the other day? Well, I didn't really get into that much detail, but you want to make sure you understand it, whether I give you enough detail or not. And if I don't give you enough detail, then for sure ask about it, saying that, it's a little bit confusing what we're talking about here. But yeah, this is a conversion factor. This will go from grams of chlorine, but the difference is, you're right, this is a solution. What is a solution? Somebody remind me what a solution is. It's a mixture. It's a, what type of heterogeneous or homogeneous mixture? Could heterogeneous mixtures be called a solution? No, right. Only homogeneous mixtures are called solutions. That's because, why? Well, the reason why? Well, solution is basically, for a solution, it's just intimately mixed. How it's mixed, it's pretty uniform throughout. That's usually the way people think about solution. Solutions are the particles that are mixed in there are very small, like chlorine. But anyway, this is a chlorinating solution. What's the difference between chlorinating solution and chlorine? Yeah, this is mixed with something else, whereas this is
just pure chlorine.
This is pure chlorine. That's the word I was looking for. This is pure chlorine. And so this is how many grams of pure chlorine, that is chlorine atoms, are contained in this mixture, which is 7%. And so what we do here is, if we write it like this, we're going to convert from grams of chlorinating solution to grams of pure chlorine. Or we could write it upside down. If we wrote it upside down, it would be 100 grams of chlorinating solution for every 7 grams of pure chlorine. So let's say I need 14 grams of pure chlorine. If I needed 14 grams of pure chlorine, how many grams of chlorinating solution do I need? 200 grams. And so this goes the opposite way. This takes grams of pure chlorine and takes us to grams of the mixture, or the grams of the chlorinating solution. And so typically we want to analyze each sentence like this. So in the first sentence, we could either convert from grams of chlorinating solution to grams of pure chlorine, or grams of pure chlorine to grams of chlorinating solution. And then we go to the next sentence. For the next sentence, what information can you extract from that? And then once we have all the information down, then we'll continue with that. So take a look at the next sentence. And I'm going to take a quick roll check here.